Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 3rd and the chart of the day for today is gold. Here is a 60 minutes time frame. We're looking for the upside extension against 3246. Right side is bullish with the green tag, which means we do have a bullish sequence. And now we are within this wave 3 in the minor degree, and within wave 3 it subdivides into another 5-ways rally. Now this peak here can either be already in the wave 3 in the black or wave 3 in the blue, doesn't matter, as long as we stay above 3246. Any pullback from the peak should continue to be finding support in 3711 and should continue to see further upside. Okay. Now let's zoom out a little bit in the 4-hour and see where we are, right? So if we copy this wave 2 into the 4-hour, that's our wave 2 here. This is our wave 1, and we have already broken above wave 1, so we got a clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, right? 5 is up, correction finish, break above the previous peak again. So technically you do have a bullish sequence high from this low here, and you notice a couple of things. First of all, this pullback here was clearly 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, which is a bullish market. And secondly, we do have from this low a high sequence, and this looks impulsive and incomplete this leg. And as a sort of conservative target here, you can measure 1, 2, 300% and targeting 3489, which is when this third leg equal to the first leg, right? 3489. Now if we manage to take out this peak as well, then that will actually confirm even more bullish scenario in which we finish this correction here, right? We finish this correction, so this low is completely confirmed if we also take this out. But even before we take this out, we do have a high, and this leg looks incomplete, so we continue to favor more upside, and pullback is expected to continue to find support 3711 against 3246. Now again, the pullback here can get a little bit bigger. I mean, if we are already in the wave 4, then you can adjust the count, and let's say we can get 1, 2, 3 like this. Still it's pretty much a bullish scenario, even if we do get a bigger pullback, as long as we stay above 3246. All right, so that's the idea for today's. And if you do want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We do have 14 days trial, currently only for 99 cents for new members only though. And you can start the 14 days trial here by clicking here. And if you want to get more information about our plans and pricing after you finish the trial, you can check out these plans and pricing and see which one is suitable for you. And then finally, if you do want to get to learn more about Elliott Wave and needs more education classes, you can go to our education page here. We have many different classes for you available to choose from, and I will provide all this link directly in the description of the video. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.